This is going to be a fun-filled adventure where we will swim with the whale shark, island hopping, see the famous Komodo dragons, sunset hikes, and many more. So sit back, relax, and join us on this adventure in the comfort of your home. Today is the day we had been eagerly anticipating. The day we will finally swim with the magnificent whale sharks. We had spent months preparing, and now the moment has finally arrived. After a hearty breakfast, the boat set off to the location where the whale sharks are known to frequent. As the boat approaches a bagan, we can sense that the whale sharks are near. Whale sharks are known to approach bagans in the Saleh Bay region of the coast of Sumbawa. Bagans, also known as fishing platforms or stationary lift nets, are used by local fishermen to catch various types of fish. They attract a large number of small fish and plankton, which in turn attract whale sharks due to their filter feeding behavior. The fishermen intentionally attract whale sharks to their bagans to draw tourists who are interested to swim with these gentle giants. The ecotourism activity can provide an additional source of income for the local communities. Soon after the boat stops near the bagan, a distinctive silhouette of the whale sharks emerges from the depths. Its massive form glided gracefully through the water and its spotted skin shimmering in the sunlight. Our hearts swell with awe as we let out gasps of excitement. With a sense of exhilaration, we slip into the water and are met with an awe-inspiring sight of a group of whale sharks, each one a majestic marvel of nature. They swim with effortless grace, their enormous mouth filtering the water for plankton as they move in peaceful ballet. Whale sharks are the largest known fish species and are filter feeders, meaning they feed by swimming through the water with their mouths open, filtering out plankton and small fish. These gentle giants leave us feeling a profound sense of humility and wonder in their presence. It is a moment we know we will treasure for the rest of our lives. As the whale sharks disappear into the deep blue sea, it is time for us to set sail. The whale shark experience was a dream come true, and I am thankful to be able to experience it. The rest of the day is spent relaxing and sailing to our next destination, the Komodo National Park. See you there.